Checking out my 2.4 gigahertz INJORA RC system remote. Let's go ahead and pull it out of the box here. Now you can get these with or without the gyro. I think this one doesn't have the gyro. We've got the controller, pretty handy, nice lightweight antenna built in, and then we have the controller itself. You're going to want to install 4 AA batteries underneath. I use rechargeable, and then you can recharge from that port up top there. You've got your button here for channel 3, your 3 selector here. You've got your on-off switch on the side. Some trims hidden underneath this little door here. Got channels up here. Of course, your steering wheel with a little knob here, which is pretty handy if you're driving one-handed. And then the button forward and reverse. Pretty handy remote, 2.4 gigs. Upgrades from some, replacements for others, or just if you're going to build the DIY. Hope this helps.